you have this example that 6x power 6 minus 25x power 5 plus 31x power 4 minus 30 square plus 25x minus x equal to 0. This is obviously, this is 6 is there here, minus 6 is there here, minus 25 plus 25, 31 minus 31. So this is reciprocal equation of class 2. This is a reciprocal equation of class 2 very clearly. So your reciprocal equation of class 2 and even degree. So but whatever even degree, odd degree, but what you need to understand here, you have to put x equal to 1 and you have to put x equal to minus 1 and check. X equal to plus 1, see it will satisfy obviously. So x equal to plus 1 is a root and x equal to minus 1 also will satisfy obviously. Minus 1 if you put, they will get same thing, na? Plus 1 minus 1 if you put, you are going to get the same thing. Therefore plus 1 minus 1 both are the roots. So therefore what you can do here, process x equal to 1 if you put, it is a root. Therefore you take this and then you solve it by like this, minus 31, 25, minus 6. I think you understand this. So then you get it. So then again you divide, because x equal to minus 1 is also root. Na? So you again divide with x equal to minus 1. Then you get what? Fourth degree equation you get here. This fourth degree equation, how do you solve, you know? So you solve that fourth degree equation, because this also you get reciprocal equation. So this reciprocal equation of fourth degree, how do you solve? By taking x plus 1 by x equal to some p or k. So you can solve that. So that is one example you have. So we'll please complete that one. You can complete. So now I'm going to take a few a few questions from exercise which are important and which you may not know, especially here. Here this question is transform this equation so that second highest power, that means x cube term, is removed. So yesterday I taught the solution. Now also I am telling you very simple method. I am telling you here you have to, let's say, translate the roots by, let's say, roots of this equation. Let roots be wantedly I am taking alpha 1 comma alpha 2 comma alpha 3 comma alpha 4 be the roots. Then what you know, alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 plus alpha 4, sum of the roots equal to minus 4. You know this one. Now translate the roots by k. So that means what? Each root you have to, now required equation. Let's take now required equation. Required equation is f of, you can take like this. Required equation is f of x plus k equal to 0. Okay. Required equation is, I am taking f of x plus k equal to 0. That means roots are translated by minus k. Roots are translated by minus k. That means alpha 1 minus k. Obviously, no, required equation is f of x plus k equal to 0. I am writing. So then this is alpha 1 minus k plus alpha 2 minus k plus alpha 3 minus k plus alpha 4 minus k. Why? Because translated by minus k, therefore equation becomes f of x plus k equal to 0. This is sum of the roots. This is second highest power. Na? Sum of the roots means second highest power. This should become 0. In this should become 0. For this equation, required equation in this one, for this equation, second highest power should be 0. That means sum of the roots must be 0. Here sum of the roots is how much here? Minus 4 minus 4k should be equal to 0. That is k equal to minus 1. That means the required equation is simply f of x minus 1 equal to 0. F of x minus 1 equal to 0. Then how do you find f of x minus 1 equal to 0? So f of x minus 1 equal to 0. Now f of x minus 1, what you get? F of x minus 1 here. I'm writing here f of x minus 1, that is x minus 1 whole to the power of 4 plus 4 into x minus 1 whole cube plus 2 into x minus 1 whole square minus 4 into x minus 1 minus 2. This one we want. But this one, to simplify this one, there are two methods. One is directly you do it. Another is you express f of x. F of x you express in terms of x plus 1, a naught x plus 1. Yesterday I told, whole power 4 plus a1 x power, so x plus 1 whole cube. You express, then in the place of x, if you put x minus 1, then you will get all this like that. What is the process? to express in x plus 1, x equal to minus 1 you should take. Okay, this is coefficients are 1, 4, 2, minus 1, minus 2. So here 0. Yeah, so then what you get here? 1. So minus 1, 3, minus 3, minus 1, 1, minus 3, 3, here 1. So this is what is final one, that is A4. That's what is A4, because fourth degree now you will get A4. The next one, this is minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, minus, yeah, then this one, next one is 0, then this is 1, so it's minus 1, 2, this is minus 2, minus 3, 3, this is what is 0 you got. The next one is 0, it's 1, it's minus 1, this is 1, this is minus 1, this is minus 4 you got. This is what is A3, this is what is A2, and then obviously you see here this is 1, this minus 1, this is 0, you must get, this is what is the second highest term, this is what is A0. So then what I got is f of x minus 1 I got, this one I got is A0, the 1 into x power 4 is 0 into x cube minus 4 into x square plus 0 into x plus 1, 1 I got this one. So in this obviously second highest power is 0. This is the process I taught yesterday. Okay, hope you got it. Then we'll go to next one. That is very simple questions are there. Transform the following equations into ones in which the coefficient of the third highest power of x is 0. Third highest power. Third highest power. So first, so in this equation, now first question I am taking, x power 4 plus 2x cube minus 12x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Third highest power means this one I don't want. So let's say now required equation, again I am writing solution here, third highest power, previously second highest power, now third highest power. First highest power, second highest power, third highest power. That means x square term should not be there. So where we have to translate the roots. That means here, let's take now required equation. Required equation in which third highest power is 0 is f of x plus k equal to 0. That means each root is translated by minus k. Then roots, let roots previously we have taken, then roots becomes what? Alpha 1, now we know alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 plus alpha 4 equal to minus 2. So then sum of the roots, two roots, alpha I, alpha j equal to, you know, that is minus 12. Okay, then 3 roots if you take minus 2, 4 roots if you take, that is minus 1. So then here, thing is here, what to do, because previously I taught that one is shortcut. Okay. Okay, this is a, yeah, this again I'm telling, this is the question. X power 4 plus 2x cube minus 12x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Now here question is, here we have to eliminate third highest power. Okay, third highest power we have to eliminate. Okay, if at all you have to eliminate third highest power, then how you have to transform the equation, or how you have to transform the roots. So I am taking the roots has to be translated by minus k is what I am taking. Then f of x plus k equal to 0. Then we actually we get this one, but this process is not required. But what now we are doing is required equation in which third highest power is 0 is f of x plus k equals 0. That means we have to write the equation in x minus k terms. That means x minus k factors means x equal to, you have to divide the equation with x minus k. That is x equal to k you should take, and you have to do synthetic division. If you do synthetic division, then what you get, then this is 1, and then this is 2 plus k, and then this was, if you do now, first time if you do this point, this one you get, second time if you do, then this one you'll get, third time if you do, this remainder you get. Okay, so what I want is, this is A4, A4, A3, A2 is what I want, A2 I want 0. So what is A2 here? So I did this one, this I got 6k square plus this is 6k, this is minus 12. So this is 3k. So here if I take 2 common, this you make 0, this has to be 0. So A2, this is actually A2, this A2 I want 0. So that is 3k square. So you can take actually 6 common, no? K square plus k minus 2 equal to 0. So that is k square plus 2k minus k minus 2 equal to 0. That is k, if I take, what I get is k equal to 1 is 1 root and minus 2. That means k value, if you take 1 or minus 2 for both 1 and minus 2, you are going to get this one is k value for 1 also minus 2 also, you are going to get this second highest power is 0. So I am taking k equal to 1. If I take k equal to 1, this only you have to do. So if I take k equal to 1, okay, let's take now k equal to 1. So I am taking k equal to 1. Then what do I get? You see, let's say now this is what is 1, 2, minus 12. And this is 2, this is minus 1. Hope this is what we have taken. Yeah. Okay, then we just see here very clearly 1. This is 1. This is 3, and this is 3. This is minus 9, and minus 9, minus 7. This is minus 7. This is minus 8. So then this becomes what? 1. This is 1, 4, 4, minus 5, minus 5. This is what is minus 4, minus this is 12. So then this is what you get is 1. This is 1, and this is 5. This is 5. This is 0. This is what I am telling. This is what is A4. This is what is A3. Because fourth degree, no, you have to start with A4. A2, and A2 is 0. Then this is 0 means what you get? This is 1. This is 6. This is what is A1. This is automatically A0. So what you get is A0 into x power 4 plus this is A1 into x cube plus A2 into x square. See, third highest power is eliminated. Then minus 12 into x plus this is minus 8 equal to 0. So this is the required equation. This is the required equation. So therefore, I have done with x k equal to 1. You can do similarly with k equal to minus 2 also. That means here this is 0. Then roots has to be translated by either 1, either roots has to be translated by x plus k we written, no? Either minus 1 or roots are to be translated by 2. Translated by 2. That means each root should be added by 2 or minus 1. So that's what is the answer. So hope you understand this one. Okay, this question is okay. Final last question is reciprocal equation. I already taught you that reciprocal equation how to solve. Reciprocal equation how to solve. First you have to see whether even degree or odd degree. Okay, class 1 or class 2. Class 1 or class 2 you have to see. First thing is you have to see class 1 or class 2. Okay, class 1 means what? Class 2 means what? Class 1 means minus 1 will become a root. Odd degree. Class 1 of odd degree minus 1 is a root. Class 2 of odd degree plus 1 becomes a root. So class 1 of even degree, no root. We have to solve it directly. You have to solve. Even degree of class 2 plus or minus both will become the roots. Actually, that you can see and you can recognize. Only thing is class 1 or class 2 you have to recognize. That is class 1 means very clearly I told. Class 2 also you know. Hoping that you understood the class. So if you have doubts, please ask.